some type of a coach or consultant and you have an online program, but for some reason you are struggling to sell it. I'm going to tell you right now why it's not selling and what you can do to make more sales fast. Jump right in. Let's cover the why it's not selling. Now, it's probably one of these three reasons. Number one, your branding is not right. Number two, your offer is way too complicated and it doesn't speak to your target audience. Number three, you are lacking credibility. I work with a lot of coaches and consultants as a copywriter who have a ton of expertise and have created amazing programs and have actually went through a lot of huge transformations, but somehow they just can't seem to sell their programs. And it normally is one of those three reasons that I just listed. And you won't believe that when you actually tweak these and fix them, the kind of results that you will actually start to see. Yes, you will start to see more people interested in your programs and actually buying them. And that's what you want, right? So let me tell you right now how to fix it. So your branding is not right. How do you fix this? You need to make sure that your branding is aligned with your ideal client, okay? It literally needs to speak to them. And I don't just mean aesthetically, like your feed is all friggin', like your feed is all color coordinated. No, that's not what I mean. I mean your brand voice. It needs to speak to them. Brand has to tell your story. It has to connect to your audience. It has to literally drag them in. They need to be able to relate to your brand, and your brand most of the time is ultimately you. So if you've kind of been hiding a lot and not showing up or showing people who you are or being vulnerable and actually telling them your story, the chances are this is why they're not really intrigued or interested to buy your course, because they don't know enough about your brand and they really have no connection with it. So you really need to make them feel connected. And how do you do that? You just have to make your brand aligned. Number two, your offer is way too complicated. You're giving them far too many options. You're giving them that decision fatigue that everybody hates. Gosh, don't be giving them a whole bunch of options like I have this program, then I have the advanced, and I have the beginners. No. You want to create an evergreen offer, one that you can recycle and use again. You're not just offering them a program, right? You're selling them a transformation. You're selling them the ultimate answer to the problem they've had for so many years and they don't know how to fix it. And when they see your offer in front of them, they're like, oh my God, like this is what I need. Like this is talking to me. Like how does he know? Literally it needs to make people jump off their seat and be like, dude, where do I sign up? Because I need to sign up. This is for me. The last one, number three, is very important, and this is where most people go wrong. Actually, everyone goes wrong. If you get this right, if you do this, you're going to just get a whole bunch of sales. You need to show credibility. I don't just mean like a list of your college degrees and all the courses you did. People don't buy into that anymore. People want social proof. People want to see other people that have worked with you and got results. Most of the time that I've ever bought program or bought product is because somebody called Stephanie's popped up and said it's completely changed her life. And I'm like, yo, Stephanie, that did it for me. So this is what you want to do. So you may be thinking, well, like I don't have any clients. I don't have these testimonials. Well, there's a way around that. What you can do is do beta groups, or you could basically offer your services in exchange for a testimonial. So if, for example, you are a confidence coach, you will offer 10 people to actually go through your whole program in exchange for a testimonial. Now you might be thinking, hey, I don't want to sell my services for free. I'm going to be real. You have to do that if you don't have any testimonials or credibility. It's the only way. And don't think about it as you're giving it for free, because actually you sell your service. All right. And the best testimonials, I would say, if you can get the client on video talking about your program and then you highlight it in your Instagram feed, the way to do it. People just kind of believe videos more because, let's face it, anyone can like screenshot a text or a message, put a random face in it and just make up a bogus name, okay? But a video, like you really can't fake a video. Like, I don't know how to do that. So yeah, if you can get video testimonials, if you can get up to 10, is a really good way to start. Believe me, this is going to be a game changer if you don't do the other two. just do the last one and you're definitely going to see sales. If this video was useful, please drop me a comment. If you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up. This is a new channel, guys, so I would love the support. Thanks for watching. Peace.